Well, according to what happened, it seems like this buffoon right here clicked the random button and we all got teleported here randomly.
So, are you saying this was all done by luck?
Exactly.
Huh.
A book?
What's a book?
So what might the first chance be? Thanks for pointing that out, Captain Obvious.
Need to be a jerk.
Just pointing out the obvious, that's all. Geez, are you an idiot? Please be one as the guy in front of you. Access to the lesson is disappointing.
That's it! I am having with your attitude!
Hey, watch it.
Ooh, water. No! Please look it! I'm sorry!
I lost the challenge? This sucks.
Who cares? It's just one challenge.
I care.
Floppy this. Chessboard. That's 2 votes chessboard. 2 votes floppy this. 1 vote. First person eliminated. Victory will be mine. Floppy this.
What?
Whoever voted for me is very lucky. You hear? Very lucky.
Well, any last words, floppy this?
No.
Well, alright then.
Wait, what the?
Wait, what's going on?
Are you an idiot or something?
A book?
Book. Wait, what are we talking about? I zoned out.
What an idiot.
What does that mean?
What? Ahem. Well, you see, young one, it's something you use in TV shows and movies.
Yo, who's that behind you?
What?
Ah! Speedrunner! You better be more careful!
Who's speedrunning? Oh.
Geez, are you an idiot? Please be one as the guy in front of you. Access to the questions is just pointless.
That's it! I have had it with your attitude!
Hey, watch it.
Ooh, water. No! Please look it! I'm sorry!
Challenge? What challenge? Beach.
That may be a problem.
Let's not worry about it. Let's just go and look for the shells.
We are looking for shovels so we can win the challenge!
I'm sorry.
Sorry for what?
I have short-term memory loss, okay? What it means is that I can't remember stuff, and it's hard for me to do things. So if you tell me to do something, chances are I will forget.
I feel terrible now. If I wasn't on a sinner, I wouldn't have yelled at him. Listen, I'm sorry about earlier. I didn't know I was going to assume that I was innocent, and I'm sorry, buddy.
It's fine. I'm sure for now to get started.
Well, let's stop sitting down and let's go for this challenge.
Yeah, it will happen.
Alright, that's it. I'm voting you off.
What? Why?
Guys, let's just deal with the outcome.
Paint bucket. License plate. Paint bucket. License plate. So far, there are 2 votes paint bucket, 2 votes license plate, with 2 votes left. Paint bucket. And the second person voted out. A victory will be mine. Paint bucket.
Damn. Sorry about my memory loss, guys. Should have mentioned that at the beginning.
I'm really sorry about earlier.
It's fine. I know I was gonna get up earlier, but I wasn't gonna mix this.
Any final words?
Wait, what?
Hurry. I have to get back to my job with Jen.
Wait, what's going on?
Are you an idiot or something? Alright, listen, I really do not care for this argument. So, Boomerang Guy, do your zippy zappy thing, and let's get the hell out of here. That actually sounds cool.
I could use that to get into any play I desire. Sign me up.
First challenge is standing on a platform. Well, looks like I won. I don't know if it's just me, but this challenge seems like a decent kick.
Right here.
Oh yeah. Forgot you existed.
What? Okay, that's it. Let me go!
originality.
Thank you.
Did I hear that correctly?
And the license plate?
No, I don't have a problem with that.
Wait, what are you doing?
That may be a problem.
Let's not worry about it. Let's just go and look for the shells.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, so we gotta look for shells. Do you have any idea where shells are?
Last I checked, shells are just all over the beach. Well, what do you know? I found one!
Awesome work! You know, maybe this challenge will be pretty easy.
Whoa! We sure did get a lot of shells!
Yeah, what about Lily's shell?
Yeah, right. Guessing one of the strongest objects here, I can carry a lot, huh?
Alright, so we just need Tin Can and Ticket now, I assume, right?
The other team stole our shells!
What happened?
Alright, that's it. I'm voting you off.
What? Why?
Guys, let's just deal with the outcome.
Hey there, pal.
Oh? Hello, I'm Bill. What can I do for you?
Well, I was wondering if you wanted to join Chessboard and Eyes Alliance.
I mean, maybe... Sure, I'm all in.
Awesome. So, I guess I'll go tell Chessboard. See you later.
Alright, see ya. Yeah, I understood none of that.
Well, too bad for you. Does everyone understand?
No.
Commence!
Okay. Why is this thing so difficult? Yep. Thanks, team.
Don't worry, I'm sure we got this. Well, crap. I'm screwed. I need a 10 to at least have a chance to be safe.
Please,
Okay, this is bullshit.
License plate. Are you alright? You look nervous.
Who, me? No, I'm not nervous.
Are you scared you might go up for elimination?
Honestly, yeah, I am.
Don't worry. You got this.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right. I do got this. Oh, you mother...
Water, lipstick, tin can plug, and license plate are all up for elimination.
I still cannot believe I got last in the challenge.
I still can't believe I hit a 10!
License plate, lipstick, water,
Well, damn. The challenge was something more my type. I'm sure I would have made it farther. Well, anyways, tell that fellow Chessboard I wish them luck. Yeah, guys.
that is beautiful. It's time to go, see ya!
Feels true, don't you?
I've only said like 2 words. You just roast everybody else on this show. Who cares? I don't know. I'd get you out of this challenge.
What kind of question is that? Let me just get you out.
Yay!
I'm never trusting with her.
How will we decide teams? Please tell me what the plan is, Lipstick. Please, I'm dying. Just tell me.
Not yet. We still need to wait.
I regret this alliance so much. Whoa, nice find, speedrunner.
I think that's 10 shells. At least we're in the lead. You know what? I'm not gonna bother with you. This is what you should be getting.
Alright, so if I can get a 5, I'm at least out of the danger zone, so let's try it out, I guess. Well, I'm out of arrows, meaning my total score is a 6. Damn it.
Well, you better hope I'm safe plugged because we cannot afford for me going up for elimination.
Yes, I know.
About time the girls did better than the boys. So that's why I have an offer for you guys.
I pick drawing tablet, plug, chessboard, and anvil.
My third elimination? Great.
You just made a big mistake.
I can see why you put me up.
Oh man.
Anvil, did you do it?
He's with us. Don't worry.
Good.
You guys know the drill. Anyways, it's time to vote. First vote, plug. Chessboard. Plug. Fourth person voted out. A victory will be mine. Plug.
Oh man.
I'm sorry this had to happen to you.
You were a terrible person, and I'm so glad that I'm getting away from you.
Terrible person? I'll let you know that I'm the reason you won Challenge 1 and 2!
Yeah, because you cheated in episode 2!
Cheated? Lipstick. Did you cheat?
Yeah, she did! She stole...
Good riddance, traitor.
You and I are having a talk after this. Alright, viewers, I'll see you in the next episode. A victory will...